Guys, Nick Miller from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2021 Bobcat L28 mini articulated wheel loader. Bobcat calls these a SAL, S-A-L, small articulated loader. You can call it what you want. Guys, this is a very clean machine. We're going to do the video next on this one. I actually have two of these here for sale. A 21 with 398 hours, I believe it is, and that one over there has just 100 hours. Cab heat. These machines are going to have block heaters on them. 44-inch bucket on the front of this one with the V-tread tire, telescopic boom, all the glasses in the cab, LED light package. This particular unit here does have the rear grill guard and the rear 2-inch receiver hitch in it. We've done full service, all OEM Bobcat filters and oils. All of our filters have been marked like we always do here. These machines are coming right into the time for snow season. I was lucky enough to buy these. These machines were not in the salt. They were actually both privately owned machines. Very, very happy to have them, very clean. It was just ironic. I ended up with two of them literally within about a week of each other. So MT style mounting coupler on the front. All of the shields, panels, everything is truthfully like new. This machine is absolutely clean as a pin. We're going to walk you around these machines, run them for you, show you all about them. We'll start you back here at the engine compartment. Under this hood, it is going to be powered by a Kubota 3-cylinder diesel engine. These are a D1305 3-cylinder diesel. Again, it does have that rear grill guard kit on it. It does have the rear receiver hitch. These are, again, an articulated machine. Show them up underneath their serial plate. It's right there on the frame. If you can get that angle, it is indeed a 2021 year model machine. Coming up front, auxiliary hydraulics, and you will see nothing has ever been hooked up to this machine. This is your faster block valve. This does have a lock on it for your boom. If you would be using your boom clear out for your telescopic cylinder and you need to lock that, it does have that valve. MT coupler on the front, so if you have anything for an MT, MT50 through MT120, and it is the MT series interface, you can fit attachments to this. So if down the road a guy wants to get pallet forks, which we keep, grapple buckets, log arch, anything like that, we do stock attachments here that are going to fit this particular machine. Which you will see, bucket is absolutely like brand new. The gentleman that owned this did have a set of pallet forks. He did use it around his property. He had that and a small mulch bucket, which we've already sold. So we're going to go ahead and open up the cab here. You're going to see your side entrance door is in beautiful shape. Inside the cab, it is truthfully like new. Suspension seat, you got your armrest package. You've got heat only. These only come with heat. We will hop up here, turn the dash on, show you. 396 hours. This will be your push to operate button, park button, joystick loader control. This button here is for extended boom. This will be for your auxiliary hydraulic circuit, window wiper, throttle, horn. Got a couple cubby holes, cup holes, cigarette lighter. Owner's manual's in the tube. This does have a nice little side window that will open up for airflow. Here is a visualization, or a visual chart here of your different lifting capacities and whatnot of these machines. Again, as you can see, very clean, never in the salt. I'm going to turn this back over to Landon. I'm going to go ahead and fire these machines up, or this machine up, and run it around. We did replace cabin filter also. I don't skimp on our service here. There's a lot of guys that don't service anything. It's just as fast as they can purchase it. They're going to put it online for sale. We do not do that here. So we're going to fire this thing up, run it around, she does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So guys, these are a very cool little loader. And so, you know, here we are, truthfully, right in time for this season. It is coming. I am not a fan of winter, but it is what it is. What is so neat is Bobcat makes these with the telescopic boom. There is a little machine out there that kind of started this whole thing. Everybody knows the brand of that. Bobcat come to play in that market, and I do feel that Bobcat's done a very good job in these particular machines. That other machine that we referenced, at least in my experience, I've had trouble, you know, with part streams and whatnot there of service. So that's what I can tell you. I do feel that the Bobcat builds a great little machine. Look at how nice this machine turns. And you can see that I am not letting any type of footprint in my stone. So take that and put that in, basically put that into equivalation of me in the yard. You're not going to tear up turf, which is very, very good. If you have a small landscape supply yard, if you want to be able to run one of these on it for loading mulch and loading paver stones, if you want this machine where you need to have it very nimble, a very nimble little machine to get around, this is a little one to check out. You have a lot of sidewalk work you're going to be doing. This is a machine to check out. We have a contractor in State College, Pennsylvania, who has a whole fleet of these. I outfitted those a few years back with snow blowers on them. He actually runs them right down the sidewalk. It's like he said, amazing little machine because your operator, you're in the warm. You don't have tracks to worry about getting froze up or rollers and idlers getting ate up. We've got this little machine that the operator can be comfortable. He can put an 8 or 10 hour, 12-hour shift into this thing and still be able to get out and move around and not be froze. The other big thing with these machines is they turn into a 12-month out of the year machine. Not only are you going to use them in those winter months, but you can use this then for other operations. That telescopic boom is very, very nice. The other thing that's very nice about that telescopic boom is if you are loading into the bed of a truck, or if you are trying to reach over something, you have that ability to do that, which is nice. And it keeps the machine away from the obstacle you're working against. So it's nice. It's very nice. Especially if you want to reach over a dump trailer, you can do that. Something that has high sides. So again, guys, if you have any questions on our 2021 L28, again, you're welcome to give me a call. I'll gladly help you. You can see there, again, very nice setup that Bobcat has with these loaders. Cab heat, all the glass is in the cabs. These are very, very clean machines. If you got any questions whatsoever, 814-658-3066. Again, right in time for the season that is coming. Will not be long here, a month and a half or so. I would say our weather will change and guys will be actively looking for stuff like this. If you got any questions, again, 814-658-3066. Machine is 100% service and ready to go to work. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.